Hey everybody, this is Justin the Flipping Accountant, and today I'm going to show you how to find your items that have shipped recently on the Amazon Seller app. If you find this information useful, please consider subscribing or liking the video. Let's jump right into it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Amazon Seller app right here. So I'm open up the Amazon Seller app. We're at the home screen, and you're going to go down to Manage Orders. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th from the top, and I'm just going to click on Manage Orders right here. And right now I have the settings set to show pending, which for me, this is the items that have sold but not shipped yet. But what if I want to see the items that have actually shipped recently? So what has actually been shipped out? And the reason that this is important is because when something is sold on Amazon, it goes into pending, but the money isn't actually added to your pending balance until the item is shipped to the customer. So in the bottom right hand corner, we're going to click on Filter. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on Filter right there. This will pull up a whole bunch of filter options. Scroll down just a little bit, and we're going to go to Status, which is right here. And Shipped is the third option right here. So I'm going to tap on Shipped, and then I'm going to click Apply in the top right hand corner. And then it's going to show me all of the orders that have shipped in the past 60 days. Now that's another thing you can adjust as well if you want it to be, 90 days or 120 days or whatever. But this shows the items that have recently shipped for me. And it looks like I have 99 orders. And as you can see the item name, the SKU, and the price, what it sold for. You can see the shipping service, whether it was expedited, and you can see that the payment was complete. So that's how you find the shipped items in your Amazon Seller app. If you find this video useful, please drop a like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.